I want you to earn $5,000 a month in LiveGood. Hell, I want you to earn $10,000 a month in LiveGood. Here's why. Now, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, LiveGood is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. I say it all the time. Why? Because it is. All right. And one of the reasons why it's such a dope opportunity is their compensation plan. Now, when it comes to LiveGood, there are six different ways that you can make money with LiveGood. But there is one way that is making people the most amount of money in LiveGood. And that one way is the 50% matching bonus. All right. So let me break it down if you don't know what I'm talking about. When it comes to LiveGood, all right, once you become an affiliate, every personal affiliate that you bring into LiveGood, right, you get a $25 fast start commission. And that's cool. There's a lot of people out there that's just going after the commissions, right? You get four referrals a week. That's an extra $100 a week. Right? That's an extra $400 a month just off of $25 commissions. That's cool, but that ain't nothing compared to the earning potential that LiveGood actually has. So for every personal that you bring in to the company, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever they earn in their little matrix. All right. So what that means is if you bring in, Susan. All right, you bring in Susan, you get your $25 commission. You like, damn, that's dope. Cool, right? But then Susan's like, yo, this is phenomenal. Susan decides to get flyers. Susan's doing YouTube videos. Susan doing vendor events. Susan's on Facebook. Next thing you know, Susan making $2,000 a month, right? Might have took her 6 months, might have took her a year, right? But Susan making $2,000 damn dollars a month, right? Now, just because you brought her in, right? You did some YouTubing, whatever you did, you got Susan. So now just because you brought her into the company, you're going to get $1,000, but not just $1,000 one time. You getting $1,000 every month that Susan gets her $2,000. Like, for people that don't really get that and really don't see the power of that, like, this is why it's crazy when I see people trying to knock LiveGood or not join LiveGood, but they're looking for a side hustle. They're looking for a way to make money online, and they see LiveGood and they see the 50% matching bonus and all that, and they're just like, I don't know. I gotta think about it. I don't know if it's for me, right? I don't know what to tell you. But so then when you really think about that and you start playing with the numbers, right? Like, just imagine, you brung somebody in, right? They went hard as hell and they start earning $5,000 a month in LiveGood, which it's happening as we speak, right? This is how a lot of people are making a lot of money in LiveGood, because they're bringing in people that's actually busting ass, right? So just imagine somebody coming to LiveGood, they're making $5,000. You're making $2,500 a month. Think about that from one person, right? And I always encourage people, if you get involved with LiveGood, like, real shit, go hard with this opportunity. There's no reason why you shouldn't have the mindset to say, hey, I'm trying to get 50 referrals. I'm trying to get 100. I'm trying to get 500 affiliates, right? I'm trying to get 500 referrals. Why not? That's the mindset that you should have if you're getting involved with LiveGood. Take this opportunity serious. So say you have the goal of getting 100 personals in the LiveGood. That's your goal. Think about that. You're going to get a 50% matching bonus from all of those people, right? All of those people, no matter what. And being completely real with you, let's be real. A lot of people lazy as hell. A lot of people talk that talk, but they don't walk that walk. Let's be real. But even at 100 people, if 10 of them actually start doing the work, start grinding. If 10 of these people was making $500, $1,000, You're getting 50% of that, right? So, title of this video, I want you to make $5,000 when you join my LiveGood team. My sponsor wants me to make $10,000 a month in LiveGood because it helps everybody. That's the thing. It helps everybody, right? And this is why good sponsors, right, good team leaders, they help the people that join underneath them in LiveGood, right? That's why they're so like, all right, you know, if you need help getting started, boom, boom, boom. They're there to help them, to guide them, right? A good sponsor ain't gonna do the work for you. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna promote for you, right? Well, to a degree I do, but it's like it helps each other, right? So that's why when people join my team, I offer them the opportunity to come on my YouTube channel. If they have a YouTube channel, I tell them, hey, what's your YouTube channel? I'll come on here and I'll shout you out. I want you to be successful and live good, right? So this is why when people join the LiveGood team, I send out a big email, gives you all the steps you need to get started, right? I ask you, is there anything I can do to help you out? You know what I'm saying? So you're going to get help if you need it, right? And then if you're a go-getter, I'm going to benefit from bringing you in, right? So this is why this opportunity is so powerful and so many people are talking about it and so many people are making money, right? So when people join the team, like I'm invested because I'm like, yo, I want you to be successful. Even if you're making $100, okay, that's cool, right? Because that's what my sponsor did for me, right? My sponsor's there for me, like, you know, check up on me from time to time. He gave me what I needed to start growing with LiveGood, right? And that's what I do for people. So you join LiveGood, even if you ain't on my team, I still want you to be successful. I want you to get $5,000, $10,000 because whoever you do join, you're going to be helping them out and they're going to be helping you out in turn. I'm sure you see the power now of the LiveGood compensation plan and the 50% matching bonus, which is only one of the ways that you can earn with LiveGood, but it's the most profitable way in my opinion. All right. So if you haven't got started with LiveGood and now you're motivated and excited to get started with this opportunity, you already know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the squad.